Look around your classroom. You will find that no one looks exactly like someone else. In addition, each student hails from different family and cultural background. Students also have different academic capabilities, food habits, religious faiths, and communicate in different languages. It is quite possible that the rest of the people around you may be different from you in many ways. You know that it is a fact that very difficult people are exist within a group of a place. So, what is diversity? Diversity means the equality or state of being different or varied. We must therefore understand and respect the fact that each individual is unique and therefore different. The difference can be in terms of race, gender, religious, or political beliefs, and so on. So, let us talk about diversity in India. It has been divided into geographical diversity, economical diversity, religious diversity, and cultural diversity. So let us move on to diversity. You know that there are six main physical divisions in our country that has been shown in the screen. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains, and the peninsular plateau, and the islands. People adapt their lives in the geographical areas in which they live. Not only does it make the people dress differently, but it also determines the kind of the food they eat. But it also determines the kind of the food they eat and after what they do for a living and the customs they follow. People living in different religions also have different food habits. In cold places such as Kashmir, people eat meat and milk uh, products, especially in winters as few crops are grown here. People living in coastal areas eat rice, fish, and coconut, which is locally found. The food is also cooked with a lot of spices. So, after this geographical diversity, let us move on economical. So, economical diversity. The economical activity of an area are influenced by the area's geographical condition. Agriculture is the primary occupation of the residing in the fertile northern plains, while Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu mainly grow rice. Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh practices growing wheat. For people living in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Maharashtra, fishing is important economic activity. Rearing sheep and Kashmiri goats found in these regions produce the highly expensive pashmina wool and Kashmir and Ladakh. So religious diversity. India has been home to many religions from olden times. The oldest religion of India is Hinduism. Other religions that thrive in India are Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, and Sikhism. Our constitution declares that the India is a secular country where all citizens uh, enjoy right to freedom of religions as fundamental right. So then next is cultural diversity. People living in different religions of India speak different languages, they have different types of food and celebrate different festivals. There are 22 languages listed in 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So, what does the diversity adds to our life? Diversity adds variety to our life and enriches it significantly. It teaches us to be open-minded and tolerant. It helps us evolve as better human beings because we respect people with the different religious beliefs, viewpoints, and custom cultures. It is amazing that in spite of all our geographical, economical, or religious differences, we Indians share some strong similarity. The vastness of our country or our physical barriers have never been able to discourage the movement of the people from one part of the country to another. Unity was exhibited clearly during the struggle for independence from the British rule. Thousands of Indians from various parts of the country and from diverse culture backgrounds fought against the British exploration to India and finally forced them to leave our country. During the times of the Indochina War in 1962 and Kargil War in 1999, and in face of the natural calamities such as earthquakes and floods. The entire country comes together to meet the challenge. Thus, by coming together, the Indians demonstrate how, despite being different, they constitute one nation. Unity in diversity surely defines India approximately. So, let us come on. Let's recall. Take the correct option. Total number of languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India are 200, 28, or 22. The 22 is the right answer. Total number of physical divisions are 2, 4, or 6. The 6 is the right answer. The main occupation of people in northern plain is agriculture, trade, and cattle sheep. Agriculture is the correct answer. Diversity has made our life default, made our life monotonous, enriched our lives, as we have read, enriched our life. Fifth, India is a unique example of unity in diversity, diversity in unity, conflict in diversity. So correct answer is unity in diversity. So now let's take true or false. A or 1. Yak is an important livestock reared in western part of Rajasthan. False. Hinduism is the only religion practiced in India. False. Diversity teaches us to be respectful and open-minded. True. People adapt to their lives in geographical areas. True. The Constitution of India states the right to equality is a fundamental right. True. Thank you. The question answers are not mentioned here.